now is meteorologist John Adams. Now, John, it's cold again out there, and there's another hard freeze on the way, but it's not what we're expecting.
Well, it's as far as what we had last weekend compared to this weekend. This one's much better because we don't have the moisture coming in when the temperatures are very cold and you get that ice.
I think we're all just a little trigger happy because, you know, February, a couple of years ago, the really hard freeze, and then we did have some ice, and I think we're all just a little worried and scared.
Yeah, well, just think about it. It's less than 2 months away, and we'll be into March and beginning to look forward to spring. Meanwhile, we are seeing moisture returning to Texas. It's coming in from the west. This is high-level Pacific-type moisture that is spreading over the state. Precipitation not really showing up yet, but we do expect that to start perhaps a little later than 24 hours from now. We'll start to see some of that rain begin to move into East Texas. These are high temperatures that we saw today. Normally we're about 58 to 60. We did get into the 40s in deep East Texas, 30s to the north, but these are, as you can see, much below the average for this time of the year. Of course, it is winter, and that does happen. Sunday morning, our forecast lows are expected to be in the 20s. We do see some upper teens in a few areas forecast for the low temperatures in the morning. In the afternoon, we'll rise above freezing. Actually very similar to what we saw today. 40s in deep East Texas, 30s as you move up toward I-20 and then move northward there, but high temperatures all expected to be above freezing tomorrow. Forecast lows for Monday morning, we'll see temperatures in the 30s across the board, above freezing mainly along and south of I-20. Up near I-30, we could see some temperatures getting down close to freezing, but not quite cold enough to be a big problem with ice, it appears, for at least most of that area. The ice that we do expect to see is going to be northward up into parts of Oklahoma and western sections of Arkansas, perhaps. Monday afternoon, we'll get much warmer. We'll see our temperatures up into the 50s with even a few low 60s down in the Lufkin and Hemphill vicinities Monday afternoon. Futurecast, this is what we expect overnight. Clouds moving in is the first thing, and the temperatures, of course, falling into the 20s, but no precipitation falling out of the sky. Moving into Sunday afternoon, we will be overcast. We'll see our temperatures again in the 30s, but everything above freezing. If you happen to be headed westward through the Metroplex and west from there, you might run into a wintry type mix out in that area, but again, that's going to be headed more northward than eastward. We will see some shower activity by this time tomorrow night approaching the Trinity River and perhaps some of our far western counties. But as we go on toward the midnight hour, the rain really moves in. But the temperatures, as you see, staying well above freezing. 40s south of I-20, 30s to the north, but nothing down to the freezing mark. Big thing with this one is going to be the rain is going to be a lot heavier. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rain through the next couple of days, and some parts of East Texas could be upwards of 5 to 6 inches, especially down as you get close to the lakes area of deep East Texas. Monday afternoon, we'll see some heavy rain continuing across the area, but temperatures well above freezing with readings in the 50s there in the afternoon. Monday night, 10 o'clock, still some showers going on, but temperatures much warmer, 60s south of I-20, 50s to the north. Rain continues to spread over the area Tuesday afternoon, and then on into Wednesday, we'll get a front coming in and finally see the rain beginning to at least let up a bit by Thursday. Overnight, expect about 24 degrees with partly cloudy skies, hard freeze in some of our counties. 38 the high tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy. Some wind chills as low as 15 in the morning there on Sunday. And then as we look at the next 7 days, the rainfall continues through Wednesday, lets up on Thursday. More showers showing up for the weekend, and deep East Texas also has a wet week ahead as well. Check that forecast at KETK.com.
Thank you, John.